Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Now click on this little icon of a photo and the paper clip at the bottom right corner. Finally, to add an audio file, pick one of those apps. Click on Audio Filter at the top to make it easier to look. Or click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like Downloads. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, you need to hold it. Then click on Select at the top right corner to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully attached. If you wish to add a video one instead, click on the same icon, but this time select Videos filter at the top. Pick one of those apps or access one of those sources. After locating your video, you need to hold it the same way as an audio file and tap on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!